This 2024 Jayco Alante 29F is a Class A RV. It is located in Cincinnati, Ohio, 45251 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Cincinnati. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Jayco Alante 29F is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.